Well, hello there. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Happy last day of June. It is time to do the giveaway for June's little Catherine altered playing card. And she was done on Green Thumb Gert. And she's all ready for to fly off to her new home, wherever that may be. Now, let me see what time it is. Let's see if I can get in close here. It says right there 9:59. Okay, let me go back out. And so what I have to do is I have to copy the URL because there's all the lovely comments. Thank you to everyone who joins in the fun. I sure do love sending off little Catherine cards around the world. So we've copied it. Now we're going to go over here to the YouTube random comment picker. Let's go in a little closer. And let me take a look again and see. And I apologize, I'm holding this freehand. It is 10 a.m. That's it. We are ready to go. So down here I paste there we go. Let's move that up a bit. And then I'm going to be clicking on the random comment picker right there. Alrighty, so are we ready? Here we go. Drum roll. Karen Lulay, congratulations. Let's see. I just found your channel. I saw you on Books and Papers. Oh, over on Callie's channel. Awesome. Well, congratulations, Karen. And thank you for joining in on the giveaway for the little Catherine card. Now, here's what you need to do, Karen, is you need to send me your details because I'm going to pop her in the mail. So I need you, the easiest way to get a hold of me is to privately message me over on Instagram. And that's at catherinebrown.art. But if you're not on Instagram, not everyone's on Instagram, you can email me at cabrownartist@gmail.com. And you can just email me over there and send me all your details. And I will I'll put this little Catherine on her way to come and see you. Thanks for joining in. Thank you to everyone who joined in. And I hope you'll join me tomorrow because we're going to be making the little Catherine card for July. Tomorrow is July the 1st, which is Canada Day where I live. And so maybe we'll get a Canada Day theme going for this month's little Catherine altered playing card. Take care, everyone. Congratulations, Karen. Get a hold of me in one of these two places, and we'll send little Miss Catherine off to see you. Take care, everyone. Bye. Have a great rest of your day.